Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So you can clearly see that today market opens gap up above 42,500 and after that it shows kind of negative movement, but at the end it shows continuous positive movement and right now it trades above that resistance level which is 42,600 level. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market opens flat or if it opens around that 42,700 or 650 and shows strong positive movement here, then you can consider it for buying and target will be around round level 42,800 to round level 43,000. But if it opens flat or opens gap down and shows negative movement, or if it trades below 42,500 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling and our immediate target will be 42,300. So in one day candle chart it kind of look positive to me. If it opens gap up or small gap flat and shows positive movement, then you can start some buying trade here. Now let's look into 50 candle for identifying any kind of trade. In 50 candle you can clearly see that today market opens gap up around that 42,500 level and it took immediately resistance around that, and previously we have seen resistance level around that 40,300. So today it acts as a major support level. So when it shows W pattern here and when it breaks that 42,500, it continuously shows positive movement until 42,700. So as I said in one day candle chart, if it opens around that 42,700 or 42,650 and shows strong positive movement here, then you can consider it for buying and target will be around 42,900 to round level 43,000. But if it opens a gap down or if it trades below 42,500 and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling and our immediate target will be 42,400. Next target will be 42,300. So in one day candle chart and 15 candle chart it kind of looks positive to me. If it opens flat, as I said in one day candle chart, or if it opens gap up, then you can consider it for buying. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart. In Nifty, it also made some kind of pattern as Bank Nifty because it opens a gap up and shows a negative movement, and it immediately took support from that 7,600 level. So that 17,600 level previously also acted as a major support level. Today it also took support around that zone. So if tomorrow market opens flat or opens gap up and if it trades above 7,750 and shows positive movement, then you can consider it for buying and target will be around 7,850 to 7,900. But if it opens gap up around that 7,850 and 820 and shows negative movement around that higher side, then you can consider it for selling and target will be around 7,700 to round level 7,650. Now let's look into 15 candle for identifying any kind of trade. In 15 candle you can clearly see that today market opens gap up around that 7,700 level and it immediately took resistance around that, and you can clearly see that it continuously took support from that 7,620 level, and when it breaks that 7,640 or 650, it shows continuous positive movement here. So as I said, if it opens flat or if it trades above 7,750, which is previously acted as a major resistance level, then you can consider it for buying and target will be around, as I said, 7,850 to round level 7,900. As I said, if it opens gap up and shows negative movement, then you can consider it for selling. If it opens gap down or if it try to trades below 7,680 or round level 700, then you can consider it for selling and our short immediate target will be 7,660 to round level 7,640. So that's all about today, guys. If you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment box, and if you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.